Peace and blessings, kings and queens, and welcome back to my channel. I first want to thank you for clicking on the video because you didn't have to, but as always, I am so glad you did. So guys, I know it has been a minute and I promise you I will do a story time. I have so much video I need to upload, edit, film. I moved into my own apartment. So it's just a lot that has been going on. And I'm currently getting over an upper respiratory infection that I've had for about 2 weeks now, but I'm in the end stages of it. So even though I sound a little congested, I do feel a lot better than what I was feeling 2 weeks ago. So yeah, guys, I know it's been like 4 months since I uploaded a video. And I'm so happy that the video that I am showing you today is the first video in a long time. My custom Reborn dolls have finally come in. And without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing because I got them today and it took everything in me not to go ahead and break the boxes open, but they deserve a proper unboxing video. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Now, I have 2 dolls in here. I'm surprised they're both fitting in here because one of them is really, really big. But I'm going to do 2 separate videos because I think they both deserve 2 videos solely about them. And guys, I have been waiting for these dolls for a year almost. I had put the request in December of last year, and I'm just getting them today, and it is November 9th. So it has almost been a year since I ordered these dolls. And my artist, she was a very busy artist. She has probably a lot of orders. She just launched a magazine, and I will give you her name and all her information at the end of the box opening. But I know she had a lot going on. And, you know, throughout the whole thing, even though it's been a year, she has been in constant contact with me. Anytime I reached out to her, she reached back out to me and explained to me what the holdup is, what's going on. So the line of communication was always open, and that's all anyone can really ask for. And I'm a very patient person. As long as you communicate with me and let me know what's going on, I'm cool. You know, and I had faith in her. I didn't think she was scamming me because I've seen her work, I've seen her videos, and a lot of the people that I follow have ordered dolls from her. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So guys, the first doll that I am going to show you is my Joseph Awake sculpt. And I have always wanted to, this is one of my dream dolls. I've always wanted that particular sculpt because he's a chunky baby and I love chunky babies. And every Reborn I've seen of him was just absolutely adorable. I have not picked out a name for either of the dolls. I'm going to do that at a later date. Like I said, I am just so excited about getting these dolls. I'm surprised I ain't ripped this box yet, but y'all, I don't know. I think it's just the anticipation of waiting for so long, and then now that it's here, I'm just like, you know, once I open it and look at them and hold them, that's it. You know, no more waiting. So I'm going to take, is this him? Let me take this out first. And I think this is him. Yeah. All right, so let's take him out because y'all know he's chunky. right, guys, so let's go ahead and get into this. So let's open up the goodies first. And I guess I'll go ahead and tell you who I got the doll from, the two dolls from. I had commissioned Dee Miller from Bloomers and Britches Nursery. And this is Joseph Awake. He was born April 31st, 2023. He is 23 inches and he's 7 pounds and 4 ounces. And this is his certificate of authenticity here. You can get the kit from bountifulbabies.com if you're interested. And I'll also leave Dion's information in the description box below. If you like what you see and you want to have her reborn a baby for you, I'll leave that information there. But like I said, guys, I ordered these dolls a year ago. He was completed when he was born in April, but it was just a lot of things that is going on. Like I said, she launched a magazine, so it was just a lot. And like I said, I completely understand. As long as you keep the communication open with me, you have no problems. All right. All right, so he's gonna come, he came with that. This, some little booties here. Another little sleeper, little onesie. And this cute little right in excuse me, guys. And it's right in time for my birthday. I got these dolls right in time for my birthday. My birthday is November 17th. So this is like an early birthday present for me. And he also came with this little sleeper here to keep him nice and cozy. Take this stuff here and then just wrap it back in this little one jumper here and then put it back in the bag. Are you ready, guys? Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Just got them all nice and wrapped up in here. So I think this is his head. So I'm gonna put him down this way. And we always, I do it this way maybe. All right, so I'm gonna start with his little feet. I have to, with my new apartment, I'm gonna have to figure out a way how to, have my little setup for my videos and everything. All right, guys, so here's his little chunky legs. He is so chunky. Jesus. Here's his little hands. I'm loving the detail on this. See if we can take his little booties off so we can get a look at his little toesies. Lord, he's so chunky. He's so chunky. Oh my goodness, guys. This is such a chunky, fat baby. And I'll do some up close shots so you can see the details. But I'm ready to see this face. What about you guys? You guys ready? All right, so I wanted him to be, you. If you guys are new to my channel, you will find out that I love redheads. You guys who are old to my channel, who've been rolling with me since day one, you guys know I love green eyes and red hair. So I wanted her to give me a green-eyed redhead baby. Look at him. Oh my goodness. And this is human hair. It's not mole hair. I will never get mole hair again. I just don't like to work with it. I don't like I just don't like how it behaves. And my Sammy doll has mole hair, and I just don't like it, but I will, I accept it because it is what it is. So like I said, I have not come up with a name for these guys yet, but here he is. Look at his little face. And I can't wait to get into his hair. Oh, he's so stinking cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my Lord, and here's his toes. My goodness, guys. If you can see here. Oh, look at these little rolls. Oh. Oh my, look at his little face. Woo, child, he heavy. Look at his face and look at his little eyes. I don't know if you can see his eyes, but they're like a hazel greenish color. Oh my goodness, I have been waiting for you. His little eyelashes are done so well. I fell in love with this sculpt, guys, because I just love chunky babies. Look at the little fat fingers, the detail in the fingers. Woo, child, he heavy. He making me sweat. Oh gosh. Okay, so I am going to do another video where I am announcing his name, and then I'm gonna, he's gonna be in a video with his sister once I do her unboxing. But this is one down. Oh, he's nicely weighted too. Look at this. Look. Bam, bam. Oh my God, he's so cute, guys. Oh, he's so cute. Well worth the wait. Well worth the wait. The time and effort that goes into creating these babies and to how they look so real. Like, look at him. Look at his little face. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. All right, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing of the other doll and see you in that next video.